Hello and welcome to e-polish.eu. To study Polish on our platform, download recordings for the exercises in your books, or to access your e-coursebook, you will need a student's account. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the account creation process. Please note that some elements of the registration form may not display properly on mobile devices. To ensure the best user experience, we highly suggest using a laptop or a desktop computer. How to create an account? First, let's go to e-polish.eu. You can click on any of the flags in the upper left section to change the language. Click on the red Login button in the upper right. Choose the Sign Up option here. Select the student user type and click Next. Create your login and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and contains at least one number, as well as an uppercase and a lowercase letter. Fill in your first and last name, your country, and optionally your phone number. If you already have an access code from one of our books, for example Polski Krok po Kroku, you may enter it here. You will also be able to enter the code after logging into your account. Make sure to accept all the necessary agreements regarding the processing of your data, as well as the terms and conditions. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll receive an email from us with an activation link. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Clicking on the activation link will automatically log you into your account and enable you to use the platform. If you do not see the message in your inbox, please check your spam or junk mail folder. You can also try to log in using your new login information. You will be notified that your account has not been activated yet, and the system will automatically send another email with the activation link to your inbox. You can reset your password at any time by going to the login page and selecting the I forgot my password button. Enter the email address with which you created your account. You will receive an email with a link to reset your password. Click on Set a new password and follow the instructions. If during registration you see a message that the account with your email address already exists, even though you haven't registered on ePolish before, it is possible that your teacher already created an account for you by sending you an invitation to their group. In that case, find the message with the invitation in your email, click on Yes, I agree to be added to the group, and an account will automatically be created for you. You can use the password recovery option to set a password for your account. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please refer to our other videos, email us at help@e-polish.eu, or use the contact form on our website. Thank you for choosing ePolish and happy learning!